Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2019 Mini Cooper S. This is the classic trim. Not a bad amount of room out back here. Have the sports displays active. Not a bad car at all. This one's the Sport Automatic. It was raining last night when I took it, so should be good. I will do normal drive at first, then move our way to the paddles. So, took this home last night, wanted to spend some time with it. I haven't spent a lot of time in minis. I've driven a few of them. Driven everything from a base to an S to a JCW with some mods. I do have to say, this is a perfect middle ground. I mean, that's what the S is designed to be. The base car is fun, definitely missing a bit of power. The S adds that back in, and then the JCW turns it up to 11. Now, you've noticed this center display ring, how it goes orange, red. This is a tach. This is your tachometer, so I didn't notice it the last Mini I drove, but I looked at the video again and I said, wait a minute, that's pretty cool. I like that. Also notice crackles are a thing. I like that too. So if you just tap the pedal a little bit, it kind of resets the timer for the crackle tune, and you'll keep getting burbles. But that's stock. Here's the thing. I don't like aftermarket crackle tunes. I think they're honestly stupid. From factory, they're typically about a second long. And that is perfect. while it adds that little bit of character to it, it doesn't get excessive. And they're not stupid loud. Okay, they're loud. For a stock exhaust, they're loud. But it suits the character of the car, where this thing is just a fun, playful little car. So, this is going to be really weird to say, but Mini is the Lotus of hot hatchbacks. Not the most powerful, but they definitely are the most focused on driver fun. Not being the best, highest performance one, but being the most fun. That's where I think Mini is killing it. Every Mini I drive, I laugh, I giggle, I smile. That is key to making a car fun to drive. That character aspect, where you get in and you feel like it has a soul. That's the one thing with the GTI. It's an awesome car, great to drive, but it feels like it's just straight-edged little, all right, it's a fun driver's car. But they didn't add any spice to it. The tachometer that does this, there's little bits of character, little quirks, shall I say, that shine through and make this car just like, you can feel it's almost like a Mickey Mouse. It just like has that character, and it takes what could be a really, really dull experience and makes it that much special, that much more special. You look at the power figures and you're like, this can't be that good. On paper, it has no right to be a good driver's car. But in practice, this car is phenomenal. With that said, I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.